We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in last video, when since the price was within this, we mentioned maybe we can look for trade. We had the one trade, short-term trade here, but after that we didn't have any trade setup, and this one, we didn't have any analysis, and this one turned to more, complex correction in relative to what we had here. Anyway, the only way to look for trade was a short term if anyone get the trade from this correction. And in this case, anyone get the trade, at least the way it's moving is not really sharp, at least they start to manage their trades. And the targets which we had it right now, 37.3, it was since the price was within this, we have been looking for buy. All right. Anyway, if anyone still they may keep the trade within this one, they have to start to manage, and no one see whether we can get the continuation. All right. And in this case, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. Based on daily chart, we don't have anything to discuss. The only thing is we want to see whether we can get the continuation. And if I move to forward chart, and based on forward chart, as we can see, the price broke this corrections because since we have been looking for buy, and we mentioned we put this one in relative to this as an internal flat. Anyway, we get the breakout of this correction, and the only things right now we're looking for the continuation, and we want to see whether the price can break the previous stop or not. The previous stop which I'm looking for is 38.7. We need to see the prior breakout of 38.7 because we want to confirm that the price can break this correction. All right. Anyway, we move to 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. The only thing is, based on indicators, we see the divergence. All right, and as well here. Anyway, if we start based on lower time frame, we see there is no continuation. It start to correct. Then we need to be quite careful. That's why any trade we got, we have to move our stop loss to break even. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The only way we can look for trade if we see the continuation, and if I like, we can take the trade for continuation. All right. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share. In this case, we just follow the chart, and as I mentioned, whoever got the trade, they have to at least move their stop loss to break even. They start to manage. Thanks.